Welcome back to English class. Children, we had done up to here, forest. Up to two paragraphs we had finished. So, in today's class, let us continue from here. Look here, children, let us read. Mona also likes watching birds in the aviary. What is aviary? An aviary is a small forest with a wire net over and around it. Over and around it, there will be a net. You can see here. The birds will be inside, and around surrounding it will be a net or a wire. Okay. Next, the birds can fly about and build their nest in the trees. Many of the birds are very beautiful. Some, like the pelicans, are very large birds. An aviary can accommodate bigger birds also. A variety of birds are seen here. It is interesting to observe their movements in it. Okay, see here, children. Mona, she also likes watching birds in the aviary because there will be different kinds of birds, beautiful birds. Okay, aviary means it's a small forest with a wire net over and around it. The birds can fly about and they can build their nest in the trees. They will be freely left in the aviary. Many of the birds, they are very beautiful, and some birds like pelicans, they are large birds, and an aviary can accommodate bigger birds also, because for bigger birds they will have a bigger aviaries. A variety of birds are also seen in the zoo. It's very interesting to observe their movements in it, because it keeps moving from one place to another. It will fly from one place to another. It will play, eat, everything it does there only. Okay, children. So here, let us read here. The zoo needs money to feed the animals, because there will be so many animals, no children. So for that they need money to give food for those animals. So some people adopt animals and pay for their food. Mona has adopted a small monkey. A small monkey she has adopted. She sends 20 rupees every month to the zoo to pay for the monkey's food. She wanted to adopt a tiger, but tigers need meat every day. To provide food for them would be very expensive. That is costly it becomes. Monkeys eat nuts and fruits which are cheaper. So Mona adopted a monkey. So many people, children, those who are lovers of animals and birds, they will adopt the animals in the zoo. You might have seen many of our film actors, film heroes, heroines, they have adopted so many animals in Mysore Zoo. Like that, we can also, normal people also can adopt, but we can adopt for the lesser amount which is there. Like you, as we know, monkeys, they need very less amount because they eat only nuts and fruits. And here because the zoo needs money to feed the animals, some of the people, they adopt animals and pay for their food. They have to pay for their food. And here the Mona has adopted a small monkey. She sends 20 rupees every month to the zoo for the monkey's food. But she wanted to adopt a tiger. But tiger, if she wants to adopt, it needs everyday meat. and that also it's a very big animal, so it needs more food. To provide food for them would be very expensive. The people, those who have lot of money, they all will adopt tigers, lions, such as. So because of that, she could bear the amount of monkeys, so she adopted a monkey. Okay, children. So let us learn on new words. You can see here, children. What is this? It's a cage. What is a cage? Pen, barred enclosure. It will be fully closed, but bars will be there. Okay. Cave. Panjara, what we call, that is only cage. Cave. Cave means hollow. It will be hollow in a rock, hill, mountain. It will be hollow. That is cave. Lake, as you all know, it's a big pool, lake. Adopt, to accept as your own. Our own we can accept as. Many people, they adopt children also, children. Children they will adopt like animals, birds, everything they will adopt. Expensive means it's very costly. Okay, so let us learn some of the exercises here, children. Mark right or wrong against the statements given below. You must do this in your textbook, children. Animals in the zoo live in places they are used to. Yes. Chimps carry their babies wherever they go. Yes. In an aviary, the birds cannot build their nest. They can build their nest in the aviary, so it is wrong. Adopting animals means paying for their food. Yes, that is also true. But accepting as it's their own, also adopting animals. Look at the, but they cannot take it home, so only for paying for their food. Look at the pictures and write their names. One is done for you. What is this? Nest, isn't it? In the nest, eggs are, the birds have laid the eggs. What is this? Chimpanzee. This lake. You can see so many birds flying, isn't it, children? Birds. This is cage. Find the missing letters to spell the words. ENJOY, enjoy. WATCH, watch. KANGAROO, kangaroo. ADOPT, adopt. PELICAN, pelican. MONKEY, monkey. PENGUIN, penguin. EXPENSIVE, expensive. See here, there is a cool pool for the penguin. Okay, in this picture. Now you can see here. What is this picture? Mona has adopted a monkey. Here you can see pelican. Pelican is a large bird in the cage. In a zoo, chimpanzee also live. This is, we must match with the words with the pictures, children, by drawing lines. Elephant, see elephant here. Apples, penguin, ball, fruits, toy, bird, animal. Now here we have to find 6 animals or birds hidden in the table. Okay, one they have done. You must do like this only, children. Coloring has to be done. Okay, this is the activity. See, you can see here. If you see the picture also, you'll get cow. Here, there is a lion, hen, deer, pig. Okay, do all these in your textbook. Thank you.